Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working on a Dodge Dart, guys, and we will show you how to remove or how to replace, guys, the automatic transmission shifter knob, guys. The whole knob, okay, with the leather boot. Stay with us and we'll explain how to remove it, how to replace it in case yours is broken, the leather boot is cracked, you need to replace it. So that's what we'll be covering today. Quick introduction, guys. Every single car we get at the shop, including this generation Dodge Dart, we make at least 200 videos. Why we guys do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. If you need to buy any replacement parts to use, guys, for your car and you want to save even more money, check out the link in the description of the video below. You can find all that for a super good price, fast shipping as well. This is a 2015 Dodge Dart that we'll be working on, and we will explain what needs to be done, guys. Not very complicated procedure at all, and definitely, guys, okay, definitely something that you can do very easily. We will show you how to install it too, so make sure you stand to the end, otherwise you can break it. Get a plastic panel removal tool. Get underneath, you have a couple clips, guys, a few clips you need to remove. We'll see how many. I think it's 4 from what it seems. Careful, you have one wire here, not to poke the wire. Now, what I'll do, I'll disconnect the wire, guys. Okay, here we get it out. Okay, perfect. Then you just pull it out. Grab it gently, pull it out. Lift it up, guys, and when you lift it up, okay, let me get a little bit of light. Right here, okay, you have one screw that we need to actually, okay, let me show you now. We need to go ahead and get loose. Okay, get it loose. That's it, that's enough, it's loose. Now you grab it, guys, okay, push in on the button and pull up. Okay, and you can see it's out. Now stay with us and we'll explain, guys, how to actually put it together. Now if you need to replace the leather boot only, okay, you remove it from here. You can see you have a few clips. Drop it down. You have a few clips on the top that you're going to disassemble. Okay, right here, and you will be, guys, ready to go. So pretty simple. But now, guys, you have to be extremely careful. Okay, how you actually enter. Okay, how you going to install that thing, because if you don't install it the correct way, your transmission will not work, guys. So you have to be, okay, you have to be extremely careful. Let us show you how to do that when you get a new one. Now you gotta make sure that this button is still working. There, if it's not, with a small screwdriver, there is one little bitty thing that you need to push up a little bit until the button starts moving, otherwise it may be stuck like that and you may not be able to install it. Press the button, okay, align it, guys. Press the button, align it good, and push in. Did you hear that click? Right there. Now try to move it. Okay, second click, and it drops in, guys. Now you can see it works, but it's moving up. We need to, guys, get the bolt tied. Once you get the bolt tied, the only thing left will be actually what we need to do. We just need to go ahead, okay, and connect our cable. Okay, that's the only thing left. Okay, let me see which way it goes now. Okay, it's actually this way. Okay, like that. We're going to push it in here. We need to come down a little bit. I'm short on the cable. Okay, and you have only 4 clips that you need to press in all the way, and you're ready to go. So now, if I actually try to move it, it works, guys. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you, guys, for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.